Which AI tools do you use? So you're probably wondering, okay, but what tools do I actually need to make all this happen? And the good news is you don't need a huge tech stack or a degree in automation or AI to make any of this work. There's about 3 core tools most contractors are using right now to get leads or to follow up instantly and to get more jobs. And one is ChatGPT, because this is your idea machine. This is where you write headlines, write landing pages, emails, social media posts, even video scripts. Just by entering the right prompt, it's like hiring a professional copywriter without the price tag to it. Next is Zapier or Make. And these tools are the things that connect everything together. All your different softwares are connected. And that's what this helps does. For example, someone fills out a form on your website, you can send that signal to Zapier, which will send it to whatever form or lead capture or CRM that you're using. If you send a text, you can fire off like a personal message that will be added to your CRM as well, and it happens without you even lifting a finger. Now, I know these sound a bit techy, and don't worry, you don't have to master any of this right away. I'll just show you how it fits in later and how we'll simplify it. And then next we have ClientMaximize, and this is our all-in-one system that kind of brings all of this together from one app. It centralizes your marketing and automates your CRM, so it makes it easy to run those exact workflows without worrying about, what's going to happen on the other side. And you don't need it to get started, but this is just a platform we're using behind the scenes, and I'll kind of just show you because it really showcases how we're using AI and how a lot of companies like you are using AIs. And the key takeaway here is that you only need to start with one tool, and if you're brand new to AI, I would just start with ChatGPT. You can get a ton done just with that one tool, with writing a ton of stuff for you, and then kind of layer in these softwares as you see fit.